Hey, this is H1. We're going to be running it back with another episode talking about chess knowledge, chess wisdom, and chess understanding. And today I wanted to talk about the FIDE World Chess Olympiad 2022. We're just going to look at this article, and I guess it's starting on July 28th. So, hey, I'm on time. I'm on time this time. Hey, we're getting it good, bro. We're getting it in. But anyway, okay, we got this article explaining it, chess.com, of course. Okay, the Chess Olympiad is the most respected team event in chess, first held in 1928. Man, that's crazy that that's old now. That's almost 100 years ago. I- Do you understand? That's almost 100 years ago. It's 2022. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay. This year, the 44th Olympiad takes place in Chennai. I just looked this up. I'm saying Chennai. I'm sorry. If I said it wrong, just put it in the comments. But anyway, Chennai, India from July 28th through August 9th. And yeah, we know that chess.com is hosting it. All right, so let's go through the format. I'm trying to get the schedule in right quick. I was looking it up. So not only do we have the 44th FIDE, not only do we have the 44th World Chess Olympiad 2022, but we have the 44th FIDE Women's Chess Olympiad, which is a different section. They're going to have their own section. But so the Chess Olympiad is a classical event where national chess federations compete in classical games for gold medals, trophies, and the title of strongest chess nation in the world. The event starts on July 29th at 2:30 a.m. and I'm pretty sure it's probably different for each time zone. The 28th is the ceremony. Now that I'm remembering it correctly, but hey, let's get into it. Okay, so the format is teams. Teams consist of four players and one reserve. Each team has a captain who can also be one of the players. Okay, tournament format. Teams compete in an 11-round Swiss tournament. Teams assign players to play on board 1, 2, 3, and 4. Matches consist of players from each board of one nation playing against a corresponding board of the opponent nation. Board 1 visits board 1, board 2 visits board 2, and etc. The time control is 90 minutes plus a 30-second increment, with 30 minutes added after move 40. So these are going to be some long games that you're going to have to sit through. And for new chess players, these are classical positions. These are classical matches, and there are quicker tournaments that are rapid or blitz and so on. And there are online tournaments with even bullet nowadays. But the players cannot draw by agreement before move 30, so we're gonna just have less draws. That's good. The game system, not really relevant. Whoever wins get 1 point. Whoever draws get 0.5. Whoever loses get no points. And then I'm guessing that it's gonna be averaged in with the teams. The prizes. First place in the open section, Hamilton Russell Cup. First place in the women's section, the Varminchik Cup. In the first place in the combined classification, Nona Philly Trophy. Players from top three teams also receive team medals. First gold, second silver, third bronze. Individual prizes. Players assigned to the same board number complete for individual medals awarded according to their performance rating. So same thing, first gold, second silver, third bronze. The venue, um, it's a resort. It's a resort. Hey, look at them go, man. I'm excited for my chess people. Shoot, they get to go to a resort, and I am in my garage. Talking about chess. Hey, it looks beautiful. Hey, y'all gonna have to see these pictures though. I want to take man. I might need to take a vacay for real though. Hey, don't be leaving me out. But anyway, most of the big chess players like Magnus Carlsen is gonna be there. Fabiano Caruana, Levon Aronia, Wesley So, and people are saying that the favorite is going to be the Americans because their average rating is 2770 because China and Russia is not going to be attending this chess Olympiad. because of reasons I'm not even going to mention on this channel. That is not, I'm not discussing that. Uh, but China said, it says here respectfully, China declined the offer to attend this one, even though China won in 2018 and Ding Liren kind of demolished everybody and helped them do that. Cool enough. Okay, so the 28th through the 9th, the opening ceremony, 29th, the first round, August 4th is going to be the rest day, and it's going to conclude on the 11th. Man, it's going to be wild. I'm going to go over as many games as I can. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to go over some of these games. It's going to be lit. Hey, just stick with me. I'm glad that you can be here. Hopefully you learned something of this tournament and how important it is just to see which team is better. Which team is better? Which country has the best chess player? Hey, I just want to see some strong games. That's all I want to see.